Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'm sharing a quick video of these fabric boxes with pockets I made with my embroidery machine. I purchased this design from Sweet Pea Machine Embroidery Designs. The design purchase comes with a PDF with step-by-step instructions and design files for many different embroidery machines. The design has files for 11 different sizes of boxes, from small 4x4 inch up to the size I made of 9 by 14 inch. The other nice thing about this design is that it is a mix and match. You pick the size box you want to make and can mix and match the sides by picking different designs. In each design size, there are 2 label panels, a stripe panel, 2 quilted panels, a patchwork panel, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 pocket panels. To make each fabric box, use your embroidery machine to sew the 4 sides and a bottom. After they are sewn, use your traditional sewing machine to sew the sides and bottom together. Add the optional handles and a lining to the inside. For mine, I added bag stiffener to each panel so they would hold their shape. I also used a 1 pocket end panel and 2 and 3 pocket panels on the longer sides for each fabric box. To see more photos of this project or to purchase this design, please click on the link and visit our article for this project. Needle Pointers is a Sweet Pea affiliate, so we will get a commission for any purchases made through our links. Purchasing through our links will also tell Sweet Pea how much our viewers enjoy their projects. I hope you enjoyed learning about these fabric boxes. Happy sewing!